Welcome to Buzz of FX. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add the most powerful indicators you can use to trade crash index, be it crash 1000, crash 500 or crash 300. These indicators are also good for trading from higher time frame where you can hold your trades for days, weeks or months depending on the direction of the market. First, you go over to this area where they wrote inside. When you click on those inside, you can see indicators. Go down to oscillators because two indicators we're about to use are all oscillators. First, we add the MACD. In this section, you're going to change the figures from 12 to 10. Then you come down to the MACD SMA. You change that to 8. Then this low EMA, change that to 14. Here you can see that they are both white. We don't really need this signal lines. So for us not to see that on our chart, we just need to change it to black so it can be the same color with the background of the chart. On this apply, just leave it the way it is, closed. So you don't need to change any other thing. Okay, because what we need here are those histograms that pops out from the MACD and these figures, which are very, very important. Click OK. Here comes our MACD. The RSI, which is the Relative Strength Index. Go back to the inside again, indicators, same as we did before. Down to the oscillators. Then you look for RSI, Relative Strength Index. Not this one, Relative Vigor Index. Click on it. So first we move to the parameters. We change that port setting 14 to 10. Apply to, let's leave it as closed. Here, the style, if we leave this as black color, then we won't be able to see the RSI line on the chart because our chart background is black. So we need to change it to something like white, which can easily pop up. Then here are the important areas. We need to change those figures. We need to add some figures in this level. Click on that R, this will pop up. You remove the zeros. The first figure should be 50. Then you click on the R again. You add the second figure, 8. You click on the add again. You add third figure, 10. Click on that again and add the last figure we have here, which is 60. Below here you can see that there is a silver color here. We need to change it to something that won't be confusing. Silver is almost like white. Let's say let's use yellow. It can still pop up. Here you have areas where you can change how big the lines will look like. Here you have area where you can, if you want them to be dark, you click OK. Now here we can see our RSI. These are the histograms that normally pops out on MACD. So here on MT5, when you get to MT5, click on the indicators area and then click on the main chart. Then you look down on the oscillator, on area of the oscillator, because we are going to use two oscillators. One will be RSI and the other one will be MACD. So let's first add the RSI, Relative Strength Index. The period is 0, so you change the period to 10. Then on this apply, close, you can leave it that way. On this style, you can add it up to 4 pixels if you want it to be too big. The color, use any preferred color you like. You click on that level and you add, the first level you should add 50. Then after that, you add another level. Just click on this plus icon, add another level, 80. You add another level, 10. Then the last level you should add here, 60. Then here you can change it to any color you wish. For example, if your chart is black, so it's more advisable to use white so you can see those lines more transparently. Once you are done, just click on this arrow at the back. So those levels are already in here. You then save. So you see our Relative Strength Index is already here. If we click back to the chart, you can see now it's already down here. But let's get back to the indicator area again and add the MACD. Click on the main chart again. Go back to the oscillator. Click on MACD. So here you add the figures. Here is 10. This one here is for thin. This is 8. I click on this save icon. So now we have MACV already. We have relative index, which is RSI. You click back, you can see the two of them.